Abeg free me, Jerry. I know I'm a champion. Yeah. When you hear me roar, just know that I am a champion. Louder, louder, louder than a lion. But I'm not going to devour you. So do not panic. I am a champion. I know that already. So do not try, do not even bring down your nothing character or you bring down your all that your nasty stuff with me. When you see me roll, louder. You see me roar like a tiger, but louder than a lion. Do not panic. I am not that bad. Okay? Calm down. Calm your nerve down. I'm not that bad. Okay? Perry will not kill us. Perry has really done a lot of, in this challenge, I was like a lot of. Thanks to Perry.